Hello and welcome to Infranor's Motion Made Easy series. In today's episode, we will go over the PAC Drive part number generator. This assumes you have already sized the application and have determined the correct drive power ratings. Let's start by opening the Infranor Motion Toolkit application and going to the Toolkit. Next, open the PAC part number generator window. The generator is broken up into 5 sections where the drive supply will be selected for you, and I will go over this later in the tutorial. The first section is the drive type and consists of analog/CAN open with standard feedback, EtherCAT over CAN open with standard feedback, and EtherCAT over CAN open with digital feedback. I will go with the analog/CAN open drive type. The second section is the power level and has 8 standard options ranging from 230 volts AC, 480 volts AC, and 650 volts DC with different current ratings. This choice will be a combination of your available power going to your drive and your required current needed for the application. I will choose the 230 volt AC with the 11 amps RMS peak rating. The third section is the mating connector kits and has 4 standard options consisting of power and logic variations. I will choose the full connector set. The last section is the mounting type and has 3 standard options. The panel mount option is for normal electrical cabinet installations. The push-through option is similar to the panel mount but has an exposed heatsink that will reside on the back side of the panel. Last is the cold plate option that will require the user to use their preferred method of heat evacuation. I will go with the panel mount method. Once the appropriate options are selected, the correct part number will appear on the top. The supply area will let you know if you need an external power supply for the drive power level selected. For example, by selecting one of the 650 volt DC power levels, I am informed that I will need an external power supply. Infranor offers these required power supplies and can be ordered using the separate part number shown. The pricing option is only available for our channel partners. If you are a channel partner, please enter your factory assigned code here. By using the contact button at the bottom, please feel free to contact us for quoting or for more information. You can also find more information about our PAC drives on our USA and corporate websites. That concludes this episode. Thank you for watching.